Hey, this is Rachel from the Life Facilitator, and I'm sharing my personal rings set up for March using the Cocoa Daisy Big Sky collection. This planner is a Filofax original. I actually got it like on a buy-sell trade, like what feels like a million years ago. But I love the neutral color with this collection. So let's get into it. There's not much to do with the pockets because the pockets in this are a little bit funny. But I do love the What Would Dolly Do vinyl sticker, and I thought that looked cute there with the little clip. And then I have a couple extra sticky notes tucked in between. I also decided to use this collection. The planner kit came with a giant cowboy boot page marker. I mean, I think that's partly what you could use it for. You could use it as a page marker. You could stick the sticky notes onto it. I am using it as a page lifter, which is perfect because it sticks out a little bit, so it makes it easy to sort of literally lift the pages. So I'm very happy about this. Get into it. I did punch a few of the notepad pages in the front. My monthly, pretty simple monthly, just a few things in here for now. I did have some fun with stamping, using the memory keeping stamping different stamps. These are super cute. And then for dividers, all I did was trim the papers from the planner kit, and I used this as the guide, this tab as the guide, and just flipped it and had, you can see, I'll bring it up a little bit. So that's how I made the tab, rather than using the tabs that come in the collection, which are super cute and I love them, but I ended up using those in my journal instead. And oops, excuse me. So that's my divider. So this is my weekly section. This has my week in it. For this week, also, let me back up and say I've jumped into this planner in February, and I cannot say enough that like there's the planner police aren't coming for you. There's nothing saying you have to start your inserts for the following month. Just because everything says March on it doesn't mean you can't start your weekly pages. Oh my gosh, look. Does this happen to anybody? Do you ever get like random stickers stuck to you? Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Where was I? Yeah, so you don't have to start the insert in March because you typically are going to get these inserts hopefully before the month starts. I have just started more and more to just, when I get the inserts the following week, I just start them. And this works for me. This may not work for everybody, but this works for me. And so I have started these inserts already. I used an older stamp set to do the stamping. I like it. I don't love it. And so this next week, I'm going to do something a little different. I just feel like these are pretty small inserts. And so I might have overcommitted with these giant stamps. So these are my weekly. I basically just put overview, main things, no details really on these pages. In between the pages, you have a lot of options. I love doing like a brain dump or like a media list or, just something from the week that like, I don't necessarily have room for on this page. Maybe it's like a project. Like I've in the past, if I have like a project that's due, I might kind of sketch out the project here and then, and so on. So these are my weekly pages. Here is my daily section. And I just, again, just trimmed, used the first divider as my guide and trimmed my paper. So this section, well, first I did this super fun little collage because I just had a blank page and I was like, this will be fun. I had some scrap paper and some of the sticky notes and stamps and stuff, and this was just super cute to make a little collage in my planner. Okay, so how I've been using and will continue to use my daily sections. So I have these color block pages. These are my overview. This is like basically any appointments, anything that is day specific goes on these pages. If I have nothing day specific, cool beans. I don't have to worry. I will just leave it as is. But this helps me see at a glance what's coming for the week. Here I can put my to-dos for the week, and then I jump into my dailies. So I have my dailies for the week. I typically don't do more than Monday through Friday dailies, so I don't need 7 days of dailies. I only need 5. And so the nice thing about using these ring inserts is that I can choose how many I need and how many I don't need, and then so on, and it goes on from there. So week overview, my to-do list, and then dailies, and that's how it is for the rest of the insert. I used some of the, once again, I used the stamps from the collection. So you get a March and you get a little label, which is fun. And so, yeah, that's how I have this set up. And then I have extra, obviously I'll have extra dailies, which don't throw these out. You can make a notepad out of these. You can, they make great scratch paper because of the open grid section. And yeah, that's my setup. So I hope you enjoyed a look inside my I meant to say one more thing and I forgot. Oh, that happens. Okay, so I have gotten questions in the past about what stickers are the best for this planner. And honestly, because the size of this planner is it's not like an Erin Condren or Happy Planner where there's very specific box sizes. You really could use just about any sticker kit in this planner. But I will say that my favorite sticker kits for this size is the Classic Cousin sticker kit. I love the fact that you can zhuzh up the days of the week using these super fun stickers. The icons work super great. I have in the past used the extra pages for making my menu plan or my this week or whatnot. So I think this Classic Cousin sticker kit, that is not part of the Classic Cousin sticker kit, is a really great one for this planner because size-wise, it everything fits really nicely. The only thing that maybe won't fit super perfectly is these clipboards, but again, you can always use them on the open pages, or they are a great thing to use on the daily pages. And I plan to use some of them on my to-do page. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so Classic Cousin, great, love it. Because I get the planner kit, obviously the planner kit is going to be a great sticker kit for this planner. You're getting these stickers with the planner kit, and I cannot do a setup like this without the planner kit because the planner kit has all the papers, the sticky notes, all the fun things. This month we got a mild liner, which I do not have this color and I love it. Pen, all that. So these stickers are great to use in this setup as well. You get some date stickers, some alphas, labels, great. The other one that I really like in this size is the Weeks sticker kit. Um, they even the like banners work really well in this size because they are roughly the same size. Personal size is very similar width wise to a Hobonichi Weeks, and so these stickers work really nicely. And then these box stickers are super great. They like, it's size wise, it makes sense for this planner. And then the little teeny deco, oh my gosh, these are so, I love this, the little deco, clearly, because I've used like most of it. So this sticker kit again, and then icons work really well in here too. This sticker kit works really well in the personal size too, as well. And frankly, I love to play with size, and so I gotta be honest, I really like the memory keeping sticker kit. Also, if you like sort of the boldness of like a giant sticker, or you just, well, for the daily pages, I'm here for this is Classic Cousin. I love the idea of making like little collages on the open grid on the daily pages with the memory keeping sticker kit. This kit has, it is memory keeping in the sense that there are elements of it that are sort of more towards like documenting, but a lot of it is just like really fun deco. And so I really love the idea of mixing and matching size and having like a big giant element on the smaller sized page. So yeah, those are my favorite sticker kits, and I think they all work super well in the personal size. All right, I'm really going now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.